Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is another college vlog and it is Monday. I'm about to head out to my first class, which is my lecture for my web design and development class, and then right after that I have my lecture for my information environments class. It's also going to be a pretty jam-packed day because I also have stuff to do for my student orgs. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy watching and let's get started with my day.
Like it's still around, but am I happy now? Am I happy now? Are you happy now?
So I had my first two classes of the day and then I had lunch and I have my next class at 3. And then a bunch of student org stuff to do after that. So for the next 2 or so hours, I'm just gonna be working through my to-do list and trying to get as much as I can done. But usually my tasks on Monday usually flow into Tuesday, so we'll see. But that is the plan for today.
But my frame just cracked. Think I'm going down. Had to light this up. Am I happy now? Am I happy now? Now to it all. Different heights, but it's the same old fall. Angels in my head saying walk it off. Devils telling me that there's nothing wrong. Tears fall at last. I fear my past, like it's still around. But am I happy?
So I just finished my discussion for my web design and development class and it went really well, and now I have 20 minutes until I need to go volunteer for one of my student orgs. So I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to spend that time because it's not enough time for me to fully start a new assignment. So I guess I'll just chill until then. Today I finished an assignment and a bunch of readings that I had to do, so it's been pretty productive so far. I have exams coming up next week, so that is really fun. Not really. I have exams coming up next week and I think the week after as well. I could be wrong. I think most of them are next week. So I need to get started with putting together study materials for those exams, and I'll probably make a whole midterm week vlog, so that'll be coming soon. Other than that, I've just been working on internship applications and also YouTube stuff. I have a few different videos that I want to make and I'm gonna start filming those this week as well. So yeah, overall just a lot going on this week, but I'm also super excited.
Am I happy now? Are you happy now?
My birthday is exactly a week from today and I decided to get myself an early birthday gift. So last year I bought something from a small business and I still have it and I still use it, but this year I thought I would do something a little bit different and just get junk food because that's what I've been craving lately. So I got these knockoff Nilla wafers and then white cheddar Cheeto Puffs, which are really good. I like them almost as much as the original Cheetos. So So I just got done with the first graphic design workshop that I'm teaching this semester. So there's 5 total and I just finished the first one. So 4 to go, feeling pretty good. Everyone seemed to really enjoy this first one. I know I put beans in my Instant Pot and that's because I was planning on making a burrito bowl for dinner, but I'm honestly not that hungry. So I'm probably just gonna make ramen because I had a bunch of snacks, so I'm kind of full from that. And then after that, I don't really have many more assignments to work on, so I'll probably just work on some internship applications and chill out for the rest of the night. So yeah, that's the plan.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the goddamn. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay, 'cause the new songs are way better. That's what it feels like, haven't been so happy ever.
How's it going, man? Just wanted to check in with you and see how things are going on your side. Yeah, I really think I'm gonna marry this girl. Seems like it's for real this time.
Hey guys, so it is pouring rain outside, so I got drenched. I had my umbrella, but I still got drenched, like mostly just my pants, but I came home and changed after class. Class went pretty well. It was honestly kind of boring, and now I'm about to make dinner and maybe work on another assignment. We'll see. I'm making ramen again. I know I just had this yesterday, but honestly, this is the only thing I'm really in the mood for. Also, I'm pretty sure the rest of my ramen is expiring at the end of this month, so kind of have to eat it anyway. In one of my previous videos, I think I said that I wanted to eat only healthy meals, and that's still the case. Most days I have 3 healthy meals, but this week is kind of an exception. So yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with having ramen for a meal. I mean, a lot of college students do it, and I totally get it because it's so convenient, but just for me personally, I really want to try to get more nutrients in, and I think I've honestly been doing a better job of that this semester than last semester, so yeah.
I can't believe that you waited so long. I'm watching you sit there with our best friends at the wedding. When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. mind. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down when you're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball. I used to worry about my options, yeah, I used to think too much. I think too much, but with you I forget my worries. Behind me they can't touch me now. Yeah, that's how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast.
So Canvas, which is the website that U of M uses for pretty much everything related to class, like assignments, course materials, etc., is down. So not really sure how I'm gonna get any more assignments done. So I have 3 things on my to-do list that I don't need to access Canvas to do, and those are my internship applications, editing my next vlog, and clearing out my camera roll on my phone because I have a bunch of old footage that I don't need anymore. So honestly, I think I'm just gonna take a break and watch How I Met Your Mother while I clear out my camera roll. And then after that, I'll probably work on some internship applications until it's time for me to go to class.
This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball.
So I totally forgot to film it, but I just finished going over a practice exam for my web design and development class. I have a midterm for that class on this coming Wednesday, so I've just been going over those questions and going over a couple concepts as well. I got 3 points off on the practice exam, and I've looked over it like a ton of times and I still can't figure out what exactly I got wrong, and they don't really show you the answers, but I'm pretty sure you can go to office hours and ask them to look at your practice exam and tell you exactly what you did wrong. So I'm probably going to do that either tomorrow or the day after. It just depends on how crazy my schedule gets. Now I'm about to walk to a student org meeting, and then after that I think I'm just going to chill for the rest of the night, honestly. Maybe do a bit more studying, but not entirely sure yet. So I just got back from my student org meeting and I just had to kill a bug by myself for the first time since moving in here, which was an experience. I really need to get a vacuum to like suck up all the crumbs because this is such a small space that crumbs dropped will literally get everywhere. I don't have a vacuum that works on hardwood floors, so I really need to invest in one. I've been mopping my entire unit at least like once every 10 days or so, but a vacuum is definitely much needed. But I ended up getting out of that meeting a lot later than I expected to, so it's literally like 9:30 right now, and I still have to do my dishes and shower and brush my teeth and all of that. So yeah, the good news is that I don't have to be up until 8:30 a.m. tomorrow, but there's construction going on around campus that always wakes me up like super early. So we'll see if I actually end up sleeping in until 8:30, but yeah, I will update you again tomorrow.
I wake up, I don't wanna make my bed, I'll save up all my energy. Instead you take up all the energy I have inside. And I can't find a just ignore it. And I can't really take it anymore, 'cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind. Won't stop running, never will. I'll take some melatonin pills this time, 'cause I just wanna sleep tonight. Yeah, I just wanna sleep. But lately I've been sleeping way too much, 'cause baby, I've been dreaming about us. And I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. The galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you. So I've been getting bags under my eyes, 'cause I've been staying up too late at night, just writing all my feelings out on this page. Deciding whether I should just confess or hide it. Tell myself it's for the best, but either way I go, I know you're never gonna feel the same. So I drink up my coffee, harder iced, to get me through another lonely night. I wanna fall asleep, but I shouldn't fall asleep this time, 'cause lately I've been sleeping way too much, 'cause baby, I've been dreaming about us. And I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. The galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier.
So I just got out of some Zoom office hours for my web design and development class, and it was really helpful. The GSI who was there didn't have an answer key, but she still was able to figure everything out. So I really appreciated that, and it helped a ton. Now I'm going to pack my backpack and then take the bus up to North Campus for my last 2 classes of the day, which are my lecture and discussion for my user interface development class. And then after that, I'll just be doing some more studying for the rest of the day.
Lately you've been counting way too many sheep, way too tired to even see that we don't last just in your dreams. Oh, every morning I wake up wishing that you would see. Oh, 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 you know I fall asleep too early and you're sleeping way too late. How I wish that we can meet up in the middle of the day. But till then I guess I'll see you in my dreams, dreaming of the moment when you're here right next to me. Oh,
Lately I've been sleeping way too much, 'cause baby, I've been dreaming about us. And I can't help